I used to feel that my clothes are not soft after wash. First, I thought it was some detergent that I was using.
But no, yes, you heard it right. It was hard water. अब आप सोच रहे होंगे कि ये तो नॉन रिवर्सिबल प्रॉब्लम है, कहाँ से क्या कनेक्शन चेंज करे, लंबा काम है.
Introducing the RiverSoft EcoBlu Washing Machine Filter, which comes with all the required accessories for installation.
और तो और, it fits in all automatic machines.
Now my clothes are intact in terms of fabric and color.
And free from hard water damage.